Hey everyone, welcome back to Reasonable Setups. So Bitcoin updated the all-time high. We had that tap to 126. We are very close to all-time high. That's my speculation. I mean the cycle top, whether it is going 128, 126 or 130, that is over for me 100%. If I open the daily chart, you can see we had this range of previous all-time high. We held the bull market support band, but of course we had daily close below that. I think this push is just to take the liquidity to liquidate all the shorts, and maybe we can have some distribution here until October OPEX. But to me, it's over. This is very clear to me. The bull market for Bitcoin is over. Whether it is the top is in, whether it is not, 126, 128, as I said before, anything below 120 grand is very bearish from this point. As I said before, and finally we are heading to the sell side liquidity around 98 grand. So if I open the 3-day chart as well, you can see we are still in compression, and I don't think we will get anything above this downward bear flag and bearish divergence. So you can see on a daily chart, we took the liquidity back to this range. Maybe we can go back to mid-range around 116 to have some consolidation until Ethereum makes another high. Because if I open the Ethereum chart, you can see it is still hasn't updated the previous all-time high, which is 49.54 according to Bybit. So I will expect to make another low around 42.50 from here, and then to have consolidation and to have a spike to update the all-time high until or after the October OPEX. But for me, another bearish indicator for overall to understand the market sentiment is, of course, put to call ratio at extreme levels right now, below 0.6, which usually indicates markets being overextended. Another spike on the Bitcoin wallets that were dormant for 3-5 years, and they just moved today. Basically early in the morning they moved into exchanges. So I will expect another leg down until before Ethereum starts the next push. So that's pretty much Bitcoin's behavior. And very interesting thing as I just found on X as well. So all-time highs happened during the 2021 peak and 2017 after the all-time lows within exactly 1064 days. So if that pattern is correct, and we have already seen the all-time high on 6th of October, which is basically yesterday. So you can see a lot of red flags for Bitcoin, and the top being in. But as I said before, my main play is now Ethereum. So we are still holding this upside channel, the trend line, but of course I will expect it to be lost again. And if we have this Fibonacci retracement from the top, from the low 3800. We will most probably get some bits around 618 or 0.5 level, which is also this technical resistance from the previous range. And another sign for me is, you can see we are seeing some bits starting to appear around 4250 area as well. So this is a huge cluster of bits. If I open the chart here, you can see bits are starting to appear here. Yeah, most probably we'll fill those bits before we move to a new all-time high on Ethereum. So as you can see, the funding is pretty much elevated, not too much, but of course elevated. Yeah, you can see we have the open interest spike from this supply and demand level. I spoke last week's review. So yeah, pretty much I think we are going to see another kind of late longs being closed, and then of course we will have our new all-time high on Ethereum. But of course, if I open the liquidation head map as well, so yeah, you can see we have this cluster of bits 4250 area. Maybe we can take this liquidity and then try to update new all-time high. So that's pretty much it for me today. As I said, we took the liquidity. We are ranging right now. I mean, back inside the range. I will expect the mid range to hold for a bit. Maybe we can have another spike until the October OPEX. But the cycle top is either in or it is very close. I mean, within weeks, 1 week or 2 weeks. That's it for today. Stay bullish on Ethereum only. Bye.